Alright, so I decided that I'm going to be giving my dog some treats, and I'll show you guys what I do with him. Focus. Focus! Won't focus on the goddamn thing. There we go. So that's what his treats is. And then that guy. This thing. This, like you see, not actually that small, but it is also hard now. And it's gonna be a while for him to chew it. That's what I do. Okay, guys. I got a bunch of them actually right here for him. They're really hard. I don't know if he'll eat them. That is my heating pad for my neck. And they're puppies. They're puppy things. Okay. He really wants them. I need to break them. Hold on. I'll put you guys down for one little second. Sorry guys if it's dark. Alright, well, I can't honestly break them. So I'm just gonna... Come on. Okay, now sit. Nope, sit. Down. Oh, he broke them up for himself. There. What is this? Sit. Leave it. No. I'm trying to get it on his head. Gino, come. Sit. No. Mine. He's like, where'd he go? No! Come here and sit. Sit. Come. No. 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 Come. Leave it. Leave it. He always likes to move. Come. Sit. Nope. Gino. Leave it. Ah, good enough. There you go. Into his kennel. Yeah, well, I also got these ones. They have been open for a while. So, let's see if you sit. Good boy. Go, break it off. Come on. Break it off. Get off, you stinky mutt. No, eat. Oh. Oh my god, they're pretty hard. I don't know if he's gonna eat them. But he wants it. Well, that's just a little thing I do with my dog once in a while. I do give him these treats, which are not supposed to be this hard. They're actually really supposed to be nice and soft. Same with these ones, because he barely likes them, but I guess he's eating them now. But, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of my dog and his treats. You love them. Give it a thumbs up. Links are in below. Comment, and also subscribe. Subscribe button's down over here, guys. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. See you on the flippity flop side, guys. Bye.